If you don't have the letters, like Andrina's showing you, little ones, you can write them on a piece of paper and cut them out. You also need some paper to write our words down, so we can do a sort at the end. We'll also be writing a sentence, so you may need a pencil or a marker or something. Let's start with our letter sounds. Ready? A, can you point to it? E, All right, here we go. Let's get started. Today we're going to be doing a lot with the silent E at the end of the word. Andrina, when that silent E is at the end of the word, it's going to make the other vowel have the long sound, or say it's the vowel name, like A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so we'll see that today. Here we go. Take two letters and make the word at. Come to my house at 8:30. Andrina's going to make that with her letters. You will too at home, as Eliana makes it with the... Let's go, Andrina, make it.
Me?
Yes, make it with your letters. At. And write that word down on your piece of paper. No, not mat. At. Yes, write that down on a piece of paper. Add the letter E at the end of the word. Don't say the word yet. Add it there. And remember we talked about the E makes the A have the long sound. It says A. So now this says 8. Andrina ate 2 cookies. 8. This is the kind of 8, not the number 8. That's spelled differently. Write that word down. 8. Here we go. Use 3 letters to spell the word rat. If you know to spell at, you can spell rat. Rat. As you're writing those. Yeah, you just kneel down like that. Rat. Write that down. Write that down. Great. The next word is now add 1 letter to rat to make it say rate. Rate. How would you rate that book? Rate.
How did the teacher rate how good you were at class?
Rate.
8. Oh, 8.
Because that's the 8 chunk. That's right. We're going to start over. Make the word mat. Mat. At school, we often sit on a soft mat. Mat.
Like when I was a kid, I had to sleep on a mat.
Add 1 letter to mat to make mate. Mate. Sometimes we say our friend is a good mate. Good match. A mate. Write that word down. Okay, we're going to really test you on this next one. Please make the word rake. In the fall, Eliana, we rake our leaves. Rake. Rake. I hear that K sound. Rake. That says, check it with your finger. That says rate. We want rake. Eliana, this needs to go fast. Rake. Thank you. Write it down. Change 1 letter in rake, Eliana, to make take. Take. Please take this note home. Take. After you make it, please write it. Take. Andrina's super busy right now. Take. Okay, change the first letter in take and spell make. Make. Let's make some cookies.
Or cake.
Make.
For my sister's birthday.
Okay.
Which is tomorrow.
Yep.
Make.
sure you write the word make down. Now, we're at our secret word. It's a little tricky. We're going to use all of those letters. And so move them around to see if you can do it.
Quick question?
No, quick question. Go ahead and move all the letters around to make the secret word.
What?
My hint to you is that it doesn't have the long A sound. Okay, I'm going to give you a hint. It starts with an M, and the last letter is a T.
Oh, last letter is a T, Andrea.
Okay, at home too, our last letter is a T.
Oh, God.
I'll give you another hint. There's the A and the R go together, which we call the R-controlled vowel, where it says R. So we hear R. So right now that says mar. Mar. And we know it ends with a T. This is a place we go to get groceries or food. The T is the last letter. Let's read that word. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy market!
Market. That's right. We go shopping at the market. Okay, everyone at home, if you haven't already, cut those words out. We'll be doing the sort next. Welcome back to the sort today. Andrea, please move over. Thank you. We're going to point to those words and we will read these words to do the sort. As we read them, we are going to be sorting for the rhyming pattern or the sound at the end. So as you read, look with your eyes, listen with your ears for those rhyming patterns. That's how we'll sort it. Here we go. Let's start at the top. Drina, we're waiting. Market, make, take, rake, mat, rate, rate,
rat, mate, at.
Okay, I'm going to let you get started. Let's see how you do it. We're going to sort by the rhyming at the end of the word. Ready, go. So here we go. Let's read our columns. Remember, columns go up and down.
Pay attention.
Market doesn't have a rhyming word today, but now we have this first column. Let's read it. Ready, Drina? Go. Go ahead. Take, make, rake. Do you see how that sounds the same at the end? And it has the A-K-E. Okay.
Rat,
Mat, at. What do those all have, Andrina? At. Okay, the last column.
mat, mate, rate,
Good.
8.
And what do all those words have?
At,
Do they all have at?
T.
But what does it sound like though? Because the E is there. Mate, rate, 8. What do they all have?
T.
They all have
T-E.
A-T-E, but what does it sound like? 8,
Mate.
8. That's right, they all have the 8. And rat, mat, and at have at.
And it's 8, but that's 8.
So the other column, rat, mat, at, all have at, Andrina. The next few lessons, this is what we're working with, is that silent E. So keep with it. We're going to get better every single day. Andrina and everyone at home, take one word, or 2 or 3 if you want to challenge yourself, to write your sentence. We are back for our sentence, and Andrina has decided to use mate and 8. And what will your sentence be?
My
mate ate an apple. Get started. Let me hear you.
My mate
Yeah. What do you need at the beginning of your sentence? You got an ending mark. Good. What do you need at the beginning of your sentence? Capital M. There we go.
This is cool. Now you learn everything about capitals.